Do you often wake up feeling tired even after a full night's sleep? Do you struggle to fall asleep or stay asleep at night? Have you ever wondered how sleep affects your overall health? If yes, then this video is for you. Today, we'll explore how sleep impacts your body and mind and share simple, effective ways to improve your sleep naturally. Sleep is not just rest. It's a powerful process that helps your body heal, recharge, and function properly. Yet, millions of people around the world struggle with sleep problems, leading to fatigue, stress, weight gain, and even serious health issues. In this video, we'll discuss why is sleep important for your health, what happens when you don't get enough sleep, how to fix your sleep problems naturally. If you want to wake up feeling fresh and full of energy, make sure you watch this video till the end. How sleep affects your health. Number 1. It boosts your brain power and memory. Your brain is highly active while you sleep. It processes information, strengthens memories, and helps you learn new things. If you sleep well, you will remember things better and focus more easily. If you lack sleep, you may feel forgetful, confused, or unable to concentrate. Studies show that students and professionals who get 7 to 9 hours of sleep perform better than those who sleep less. Number 2. Sleep keeps your heart healthy. Poor sleep increases the risk of high blood pressure, heart disease, and stroke. While you sleep, your body lowers blood pressure, regulates heart rate, reduces stress on the heart. People who regularly sleep less than 6 hours have a higher risk of heart problems. If you want a healthy heart, make sure you get enough rest. Number 3. Sleep helps you lose weight. Did you know that lack of sleep can make you gain weight? Your body has two important hormones that control hunger. Leptin. This hormone tells your brain, "Hey, I'm full." But when you don't sleep enough, your leptin levels drop. That means your brain doesn't get the message and you feel hungrier than usual. Ghrelin. This hormone makes you feel hungry. When you don't sleep enough, your body makes more ghrelin, which increases your appetite, especially for unhealthy junk food. So, when you don't get enough sleep, you feel hungrier and crave unhealthy snacks. But when you sleep well, your body balances these hormones, helping you eat the right amount and maintain a healthy weight. Number 4. Sleep strengthens your immune system. When you sleep, your body works like a repair shop. It fixes itself and makes special proteins called cytokines that help fight off germs and infections. Here's how it works. Good sleep is equal to stronger immune system. Your body makes more cytokines, which help protect you from getting sick. Poor sleep is equal to more colds, flu, and infections. If you don't sleep enough, your body makes fewer cytokines, making it harder to fight off germs. So, if you get sick often, your sleep routine might be the problem. Try to get enough rest to keep your body strong and healthy. Number 5. Sleep improves your mood and mental health. Have you noticed that after a bad night's sleep, you feel irritated, anxious, or sad? Sleep plays a major role in emotional health. Good sleep reduces stress, anxiety, and depression. Poor sleep can cause mood swings, frustration, and even long-term mental health issues. If you want to feel calm, happy, and in control, focus on getting quality sleep every night. Now that you know why sleep is important, let's talk about how to fix your sleep naturally. Number 1. Follow a fixed sleep schedule. Your body has an internal clock called the circadian rhythm. If you sleep and wake up at the same time every day, your body will automatically feel sleepy at night and fresh in the morning. Go to bed and wake up at the same time, even on weekends. Avoid naps longer than 30 minutes during the day. Get sunlight in the morning to reset your internal clock. Number 2. Avoid screens before bed. The blue light from phones, tablets, and TVs stops your brain from producing melatonin, the sleep hormone. This makes it harder to fall asleep. Turn off screens at least 1 hour before bed. Use night mode on your phone or wear blue light blocking glasses. Read a book or listen to relaxing music instead of scrolling on your phone. Number 3. Create a relaxing night routine. A good bedtime routine helps your brain prepare for sleep. Try these simple steps. Take a warm shower before bed. Drink chamomile tea or warm milk to relax. Do deep breathing exercises or gentle stretching. Write down your thoughts in a journal to clear your mind. These habits tell your brain it's time to sleep. Number 4. Keep your bedroom dark, cool, and quiet. Your sleep environment affects your sleep quality. To keep your bedroom dark, use blackout curtains or an eye mask. To keep it cool, set the room temperature to 18 to 22 degrees Celsius, 65 to 72 degrees Fahrenheit. To keep it quiet, use earplugs or a white noise machine if there is noise. A comfortable mattress and pillows also help you sleep better. Number 5. Avoid caffeine, alcohol, and heavy meals at night. Some foods and drinks keep you awake and ruin your sleep. Here's why. Caffeine. Caffeine is a stimulant that keeps your brain alert and active. It blocks sleep-inducing chemicals in your brain, making it harder to fall asleep. Since caffeine can stay in your system for hours, it's best to avoid coffee, tea, and soda at least 6 hours before bedtime. Alcohol. While alcohol might make you feel drowsy at first, it actually disrupts deep sleep later in the night. It can cause frequent awakenings, dehydration, and lighter sleep, leaving you feeling tired in the morning. Heavy meals. Eating large or greasy meals late at night can lead to acid reflux, bloating, and discomfort, making it difficult to relax and fall asleep. Your body needs time to digest food properly, so it's better to eat dinner at least 2-3 hours before bedtime. What to eat instead? For better sleep, opt for a light dinner and avoid stimulants. You can also drink herbal tea like chamomile or peppermint, which can help relax your body and promote restful sleep. Making these small changes to your diet can improve your sleep quality and help you wake up feeling refreshed. Number 6. Get moving during the day. Exercise improves sleep, but timing matters. Morning or afternoon exercise boosts deep sleep. Evening workouts can keep you too energized at bedtime. Try yoga or stretching if you want to relax before bed. Even a 15-minute walk in the morning can help you sleep better at night. Number 7. Manage stress and overthinking. Stress and anxiety are major causes of insomnia. If your mind is racing at night, try these. Meditation or deep breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds, exhale for 6 seconds. Gratitude journaling. Write 3 things you are thankful for. Listening to calming sounds like rain, waves, or soft music. Here is the conclusion. Getting good sleep is one of the most powerful ways to improve your health, boost your energy, and feel happier every day. By following these simple tips, you can sleep better, wake up refreshed, and live a healthier life. Which of these sleep tips will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.